Like, wait, no, we can battle online.
Yeah, we actually
I don't know. No. What is happening? Galaxy! I already got a viewer.
Sophia Rain? Wait, that's not the actual Sophia Rain, is it? Wait, it bombs at the bomb.
Because I want to date. How my brother wants to be your boyfriend. Oh, we got another gift. Let's go. Appreciate it. Oh, a galaxy. Let's go. What? Is that real? What? What the fuck? What? That's actually crazy. What? Thank you.
What the heck?
What?
It just said Sophie Rain. We just got a Galaxy. Sophie Rain? Oh my god. Sophie.
Sophie, we were just talking about you.
Yes, someone brought you.
Wow! What? Is this real?
Sophia!
Wait, guys. I don't know if that's the real one. This is literally my second time going live. Are you the real Sophie Rain? Or not? Guys, can y'all let me know if she's the real? That's her. Can you comment? Because I'm thank you so much. Do you want to follow me? I'll follow you, babes.
Or the Cyclops from Futurama was mom.
Oh my god! Oh my god, we got a Galaxy. We got a Galaxy. Get out. Get out.
Sophie Rain, I know her. Wait, hold on.
Sophie Rain? Wait, stop. That's a lie. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, no, move. Stop, move. No!
No way.
Who said that?
Sophie. No way. Sophie, I love the Bop House.
Oh my god!
Okay. Wait, Sophie Rain on here? Alexa, pause. Alexa, play.
Now, can one of you guys sit again?
Sophie, what is going on?
Because that Camilla girl was on. That's like crazy. Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy. Another galaxy?
Guys! Why are they on here? Wait, hello? Guys, I love y'all so much. I watch y'all's Bop House videos all the time. Joining. I love y'all so much.
Alright, eat your
Camilla BT2. Wait, how did y'all get on this? How did y'all even find me?
To invite us, you know what I mean? So we can both be live.
He said, hear me out, the one with blue eyes.
It was Sophie Rain that just did that. The actual Sophie Rain.
Sophie! Stop! I freaking love you. Stop! Ashley! I love you, bro. I love you so much. Stop! Sophia, I actually love you. Oh my gosh. Stop.
LeBron James or Steph. Oh, let's go ask him. We're gonna see that.
Oh, you were asking him?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, guys, we'll ask the...
We're gonna ask them.
Me?
Not him. He don't know.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wait, is that for real?
Hello?
What the hell?
Oh god, I seen her TikTok. I seen Sophie Rain's TikTok.
Follow me. Stop.
What? What?
What that is.
My hero.
Thank you for the Sophie Rain. Sophie Rain just sent me a galaxy, bro. It's actually her. It's actually her. No, you're lying. Sophie Rain, what are you? You're lying. Is that no? What?
Screenshot that?
I did not. Why did Sophie Rain just send me a fucking